This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to download AdBlocker for Firefox on a Mac in order to stop the advert showing on video. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go all the way to your dock, go to your web browser, which in this case is Firefox, and navigate to YouTube. Click on the first link and search for a video on YouTube. I'll just search for iPhone 8. Click on the first video you see, and there we go. We have an advert on it. So now we can go to Google and type in AdBlocker Firefox and click on the first one. Click on Add to Firefox. AdBlock Plus has been installed. So now if we go back to YouTube, click on refresh, and there you go, the advert has disappeared. Now you do not see any advert on any video. So if we go back to the search box and type in iPhone 8 and click on the second video, and there you go, the advert has disappeared. Close out of Firefox. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, and the link is in the description, so be sure to click that in order to install AdBlock Plus for Firefox on a Mac. Thanks for now.